Long Island, New York. She's got big hair and an even bigger smile. She's the babe with the power, Willow Nightingale.
For everybody watching at home, you probably don't know what this is, but Willow Nightingale is what we call a kiki. She's just a good time. You just love being around her.
Always energetic fan favorite Willow Nightingale making her way to the ring.
The babe with the power, Willow Nightingale.
Like Layla slamming her forearm.
Oh, man!
Yeah.
Knock him off the apron.
Oh, big chop.
No!
Nightingale bringing everything she has to Chase Holiday.
Barrazo. Oh, caught with the bulldog at short range.
Oh, and Willow doing the cartwheel.
Kick. There we go. She's got her. And Sakini.
Double dog blocks a kick. Beautiful spinning kick.
Her wrestling career and has come out on the side each and every time.
Ooh, really nice.
With perfection. There's a senton to follow off the ropes and the crossbody. Beautiful rolling senton. Off the ropes, beautiful low crossbody.
Rolling over with the body weight. Crossbody, hook in the leg.
Fireman's carry. She may have something big here. Samoan drop.
Got the fireman's. Yes! Samoan of her own.
A whole lot of verbal communication between them. Oh!
Showing cowardice. Trust fall down on the.
Trust ball?
Check this out.
I'm going for Willow.
Getting wild as Vanette in the corner. Going to work here. Picks her up. Side slam position. Drop pull Savoy. Oh, no.
From Willow. Little dance there. Oh, before depositing her right down. Oh. Neckbreaker by Ike.
Neckbreaker. Save Becca there. And there's a spinning neckbreaker. Still in this. What? Big slam.
Tag was made, I believe. Big power slam.
He is caught. Power slam out of the corner.
Here we go. German.
Oh my God.
Big German suplex.
Kick.
German. These slams, man. Nice. Oh,
Nice German suplex.
Avoids that shot as well. German suplex.
Oh, and she folded her.
Sets her up for a powerbomb. Powerbomb.
She came from, you know.
St. Riley even predicted this was a.
Oh!
Backstabber.
Probably feeling the effects of the last match due to those blows.
Ducks the clothesline, does Willow. Backtracker.
That reminds me of the Wild Samoans there. Now back elbow. Oh, and a roundhouse.
Four-way. Ashley Box got the victory, and then she went on to compete in the.
Oh man! Now
Big boot from Becca, but Nightingale bounces back. Oh, turn inside out.
And what does Willow have in the tank? A big lariat.
Willing herself more than those kicks. Nice lariat.
Hurry. Both ladies throwing bombs. Oh my, that lariat.
As yourself. Oh, don't worry, I normally do.
Oh my God.
Whoa, whoa, hey.
No.
She's got her up. No!
These ladies
hands aren't careful, they can both be counted out. But Willow Nightingale, the power of the strength.
Willow Nightingale brings her up for the suplex and right down.
And the counters, leg hook, Fisherman bridge. Oh my, Fisherman. Beautiful bridge.
MV Young, that shows you. She's got no fear. She'll take on the best.
Her attack harder to watch. Beautiful.
Beautiful Fisherman suplex. Look at that bridge.
Advantage. And one of the things you can do is there's an incredible cartwheel into a super kick from
Nightingale. Oh, wait a minute. Big super kick. And then power advantage and size advantage of Nightingale.
Trying for the birds.
Up.
And here, look at her fly.
Nice cart. Been competing as of late and turning away wrestlers. Oh, they've stepped up to her title.
She was the chosen one.
Future rules.
I certainly did it, and I don't think referee in the corner. Caught. Uranagi into a slam. Nice.
Ducks the clothesline. Oh!
Not a place you want to be. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh, no!
Gigantic super.
From the second rope. Superplex.
Oh! Wow. Stalling Superplex.
Oh, into a one blower.
Enough momentum there.
Oh! The Stampede. Relentless.
Oh, there's Oklahoma Stampede.
She nailed it.
Oklahoma Stampede.
The Stampede.
Cover your ass. Hooks the leg. Oh, keeps for that side rushing. Leg sweep. Oh, nasty effect.
I know she got a lot of fight.
Ooh, speaking of which, okay. I see.
There it is.
She got her in. Once she got her in.
Oh, damn, okay.
She's going to tap her out. She's going to tap her out.
Devastating.
Side rushing leg sweep.
Some devastating kicks and hits to the punches. Excuse me, tongue tie here. But right now, Willow Nightingale has got Hirsch all tangled up.
Non-die attitude of Willow Nightingale. Holy shit!
Holy
fucking shit!
Willow catches him. Sit out powerbomb.
Middle rope.
The gut wrench into the German with the
Gale up on top.
Alec Price with a crash.
Together here. Oh, big drop kick.
Second rope. Big time drop. See some double team.
Nice missile drop kick.
Drop kick by Nightingale.
Now stepping over. The step over turtle Moonsault, the STF.
Oh no, is Brooke Valentine gonna tap out to Willow Nightingale?
Center of the ring.
Instead, blocking that grip. Savannah Evans taps. He tapped out!
Double STF!
And there it is.
The boot.
Beautiful.
Snap suplex by Willow.
Look at her rolling through. Going for a second one, I believe.
She's going for the three amigas. Is that the Spanish word opposite of amigos?
I believe so. Maybe the three senoritas.
Yeah.
Yes. That's some good strength on that suplex.
Willow Nightingale, we saw her Rise debut just last night. She was actually part of the Rise 3 seminar with Dr. Tom Pritchard.
Big suplex. Oh! Big snap suplex. Oh, my goodness.
Able to pivot those hips and drive.
Could it be a little Eddie Guerrero?
Little Three Amigos action here from Willow Nightingale, showing her power, able to pull Scott. And three it is. Can do anything. And there you see a spine buster from Nightingale.
Momentum can shift in a wrestling match. And a spine buster by Willow.
Gutting out through the pain. Oh, what a nice.
I don't get it. Oh, Senton! It's a legally blonde wrestler.
And a Senton splash! Kick. And now, here's the Senton.
Think I owe you a coke from last time we worked together.
Senton!
The senton she went for earlier finally connected.
Her face as Willow charging in. God.
Here it comes. Cannonball.
And Nightingale somersault senton into the corner.
Looking fired up, the straps are down, and a cannonball of her own. Look at that, she is moving now. Oh, shoot!
Sends her into the ropes. Crisscross! Pounce! Pounce! She found her! Pounce!
Tactics again, but Willow's not happy. Oh, pounce! Pounce! Pounce!
The ropes.
Oh, wow.
There is the pounce.
This is a
small thing. It's honestly not the most important thing, but it is something I notice and care about. I love the color coordination between the bird and the bee with the blue, the white, and the gold. They absolutely look.
School colors. I love them.
Oh, Fisherman suplex. Anya getting into this. Definitely has the strength and power, but you're right. She is super quick. Maybe going for the three amigos. Hooks the leg this time. Cover.
Together so well. Suplex. Uh-oh, keeping it locked. Another.
Two.
She got one more? Oh, into a fisherman.
Figure four here. Wow, look at this. Wow. Twists it over. That puts a lot of pressure on the knee, doesn't it, Capri?
And Willow knew she was just adjusting her leg and getting her into position until finally she ended up here.
Wow. How about this? Wrenching the neck and the face of Rourke backwards is Nightingale right in the center. Oh, boy. Oh, look at this. There is force on so many parts of Trisha Dora's body right now. Her
Looks like she's going for three friends.
certainly is. Oh! Drops her onto the knee.
Goes for another one. Oh my God, right on her head.
So there is some history here. Going through a third. Oh!
How do you counter a rock, Riccoboni? That's it. Oh!
Plants her down, stacks her. One,
It does not seem to like as they are cheering for Willow to get the better of this exchange. And that Fisher.
Oh!
Gotta try that, no.
Here at Beyond Wrestling, inspirational.
To be a physical tag there. Oh, wow. You are.
Oh, she's gonna suplex it. No, Willow is hooking that knee. Brain buster from the top rope.
Scaling to the second.
Oh, moonsault.
Rope.
Wow! Did she get enough of it?
Moonsault on the second. Here we go. This could be it.
Now two. And it's Willow.
Power move right there.
Whoa, right angle.
Oh, what a slam.
Anything to get back into this battle. Ooh, back suplex, hooking the leg.
Match, but that comes with the caveat that both want to win. We're only going to see one competitor here tonight.
God. Punching. Wow.
That's trying to pick her up. Olympic slam. Wait, is that Green Ant?
Well, he is here watching today's event.
They instantly have a spot. Big motion. Oh my God.
Oh God. Oh.
Oh God Almighty. Willow Nightingale.
On her shoulders. What is she going to do? Whaps them into the corner.
In the corner.
Just Gabby kicked out.
No, but she. Submission hold in.
Will Gabby tap? Will she?
Modified cross face. That's it.
Gabby tap.
Strangling him with his own arm. Beautiful hook and connection there from Nightingale. And there is the... What? Fireman's carry. Death Valley driver.
Here on Candide, Willow Nightingale challenging Effie for the best.
She's looking for that DVD. Oh, she spiked him. Wow, look at her.
Picks her up. Death Valley driver.
One more time. Looking for that DVD.
Oh, gets the BACKBREAKER to win the
Pump handle.
Moonsault hit
That's
it.
it. Go for it, girl. Oh, there it was.
No way. No way. Moonsault connects.
Oh my God!
She sees the title.
Is she gonna hit it?
Willow can put you away. Do we have new?
This could be it. Oh,
Shit.
You want to earn it? You're going to earn it the hard way.
oh no, no, no. Oh,
I can give back.
oh no.
No, no, no.
Oh no.
Casey Mack. Oh, she just about broke his spine.
Is that this Death Valley driver? Oh, second time's the charm.
Almighty.
And it's the dangerous babe. That's it, Rickabon.
This could be dangerous, babe.
Dr. Bomb sits out with it.
Gale. But she got right here. My God, sit up.
Into a power bomb.
Dr.
See you later.
Bomb.
That's it. That's it.
Willow was having none of it.
God wrench power bomb from Willow Nightingale.
Can I try it? Dr. Bomb. Willow Nightingale